Up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. If you don't know me, I am the #1 tanker driver, but on YouTube. But I'm here to tell you today, and I don't want you to hear from nobody else. Do not become an owner-operator. You heard what I said. Do not become an owner-operator because your business is gonna fail. I'm talking to you because you don't know what you're doing out there. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Don't be becoming no owner-operator and you don't know what you're doing. Your business gonna fail, and I'm about to speak the facts today. Stay a company driver. Be a fool. Stay a company driver. Don't take the risk, boy. You're scared. I know you're scared, and if you're scared, you should stay in the bed, boy, because you're scared. Now, look, let me tell you about something about the owner-operator industry. If you ain't do your research, I'm about to do the research for you, because I'm going to tell you to stay a company driver because you don't know what you doing out there. So with that being said, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Now, about 30 to 40%, listen to me now, about 30 to 40% owner-operators fail within the first year. You heard what I said. About 30 to 40% owner-operators fail within the first year. And guess what? Over a period of time, that number increased to 60 to 70% by the end of 5 years. You heard me? So in 5 years, owner-operators fall off 60 to 70% of the time, and let me tell you why. If you do your research before you become an owner-operator, you could be successful. But I know 90% of y'all ain't doing no research. Y'all just keep thinking of that $5,000 a week, and that $5,000 a week gonna rock you straight to sleep. And boy, you gonna wind up homeless playing out here in these streets. But let me break it down, because you don't know how to break it down when it get down, when it come down. So look. This is the common mistakes that people don't talk about on the internet. High operating costs. Man, I keep telling people, you don't know your numbers. How you got a truck and you don't know your numbers? You don't even know how much your oil change is. That's common maintenance. How you don't even know how much a tire change costs you. You trying to get the cheapest tire, you telling them to put that, what's that tire they put on there? You don't even want no new tire. Yeah, what's that tire? What's that tire? That retread. You keep buying all retreads, man. That ain't how business work. Look, if you want to know some business, work for the company and see how often they buy new trucks. They get rid of them old trucks after a certain amount of time because it costs them too much money. So guess what? The most important thing I think is high operating costs. I'm telling you now. Don't be no owner-operator if you ain't ready for high operating costs. Let's go back down to it too, because y'all keep thinking it's $5,000 a week. You gonna groceries every week. It's mandatory that they gotta give it to you. And guess what? I'm here to tell you. You boo-boo the fool. You believe that? Insignificant income. Another thing that put y'all out of business. Insignificant income, man. You got your mindset on one thing, and this how it's gonna go, and this how it's gonna be, because you've been watching YouTube, and you think this the land of the land, and this is the all be all. I'm telling you, you gonna have insignificant income. That mean your fund ain't gonna be consistent. That mean 1 week you can gross 5,000, but in the next 2 weeks you can start grossing 1,500. You don't know what to do. Yeah, you stressing out. Always upset. The company ain't doing you right. It ain't the company, it's just business. Business got highs, business got lows. That was the #2 thing. High operating costs was one. #2, insignificant income. This the most important thing though that y'all be lacking. Lack of business management experience. I sound like I know something. Yeah. I sound like I know something. Yeah, man, y'all got lack of business experience, man. Y'all don't know nothing about running no business. Talking about this how you gonna run the business, this how it's gonna be. You trying to write off everything, and like you don't want to show you make no money. Like, man, you don't know how to run a business. Man, go look. I'm gonna give you some game. Go down to your local SBA. That's the Small Business Administration. It's a government program. It should be in your city, and they offer free classes to attend. They offer a whole lot of free stuff. Go take you some free business classes, man. For real. Small Business Administration, the SBA. It's one in every city. So you need to look up, find the closest one to your city, and you're gonna figure that out. Now, there's another thing y'all be lacking, man. Don't become an owner operator if you don't know this. Properly planning and understanding the market. What? I said properly planning and understanding the market can help improve your success. I gotta, woo. Hey, if you understand the market, you can improve your success. Man, if I was, I'm gonna tell you what I would do. If I was one of them persons that looked on the load board, oh man, I got a dispatcher in every region. I'm telling you what I'm doing if I'm running that road. I got a dispatcher in every area of the United States. I got a good relationship with them because I want to know what's popping during what season, so I know what area I need to be in to move this truck. Oh, boy, is that boy preaching or what today, man? Can I get an amen? I said, can I get an amen? Hey, when I give you this game, because I'm giving you a lot of game right now, man. Now, if you listen and pay attention, you're going to be successful. See, that's why I don't got no truck. Because I didn't want to do all that. I just said I'm going to get with the biggest, KAG. I said I'm going to get with the biggest, and I'm going to stick with them, and I'm just going to keep winning. I'm going to keep doing my little dance until I get mad. Once I get mad, I'm gone. You feel me? When I get mad, I'm gone. I'm just going to keep on winning, though, man. So I need you to share this video. Hey, look, this is what we gonna do. This is what we about to do. I'm about to leave my email because I need to stay in touch with y'all. So I need to make an email list with y'all, man. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all what I need to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop my email right here, and I want y'all to email me and say what's up. That's all I want you to do. I'm gonna put y'all in the email list. Cause man, when I do some things, when I drop this thing called the cheat code, I'm gonna give you the cheat code for real. But get what? I gotta do it before I can tell you how to do it. Like, I gotta master it. I don't want to do nothing I ain't master, and then I'm trying to tell you how to do something, man. But look, man, I done gave you enough game. Hey, if you're an owner operator and you hate this video and you complaining, leave a comment. You don't bother me. I know you ain't doing good. #1 tank driver on YouTube, over and out.